warm-up. Pia, warm up muna tayo with these quick-fire trivia questions. If you get the question right, you get to enjoy delicious, juicy chicken. Get it wrong? Take a bite and feel the burn of our spicy wings. Okay, game! Who was crowned Miss Universe 1969? Gloria Diaz. Final answer! Yes! Okay, next question. In terms of the ability to exert most pressure, ano ang strongest muscle in the body? It's the heart. Because yun talaga yung araw-araw na tumitibok. At kung mapapansin nyo, minsan ang emotional na pain, mas masakit pa sa physical. Pero bakit kinakaya pa rin natin? Dahil ang pinakamatibay na parte ng katawan ng tao ay ang puso. Answer! What? Ang ganda pa naman nung speech ko. Talo ko dun ah. Woo! Give one reason kung bakit premium quality ang Magnolia chicken. One reason for me is that it's free of antibiotic residue. And it's so important when you feed your family and your friends and your loved ones, you make sure na maayos yung ingredients mo. So if you have Magnolia chicken, you're sure that you're feeding your family the best. Ayun! Uy, pero tama yung sagot ko. So pasok! Ah, yes! Si Mo, gutom na beauty queen.